guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to look at how you can perform analysis, histogram analysis using data analysis icon in Excel. So I've always said that the first step you're supposed to look at is to ensure that the data analysis icon is located in your Excel. So where do you find it? You find it when you go to data. You're going to have the data analysis icon tool displayed here. And in case you don't have it, you can add it by going to the file, and then you have more options, and then you click add-ins, and then you're going to have the analysis tool pack, and then you will have to add it. So in case after doing that and then you don't locate the data analysis icon, you're supposed to restart your computer or your laptop. So let's perform the histogram analysis using the data analysis icon. So you click data analysis, and then if the histogram is not selected, you're supposed to click it, and then you click OK. So, and then you ensure that the labels is ticked, and then now we are going to select the data that we want to perform histogram, and I want to perform for education. And if you're going to, if you click here and then the data to be picked from here, it is going to give you an error because education is string variable. So you are supposed to start from here. So you click that cell, and then you're going to click Shift, Control, and then you select. And then we want to have our output, where our output is going to be displayed. So I don't want to have it in a new sheet, and I don't want to have it in a new book. So I'm going to have it here in this cell, and then you can have the Pareto sorted histogram cumulative percentage, and then you have the chart output. If you don't click this, it is the histogram analysis is going to be performed, but you're not going to get the graph. So you click OK, and then you wait for the display. So what I was saying is that if you don't pick the chart, you're going to have this table output only. So you're going to have this the bin, the frequency, and then if you don't click the cumulative, and then you have Pareto chart. So when you click the Pareto chart, you're going to have now your distribution. So that's how you can conduct histogram analysis using the data analysis icon in Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more educational and insight videos.